Chicken 1 cup. Ginger paste half a teaspoon. Garlic paste half a teaspoon. White pepper half a teaspoon. Salt half a teaspoon or to taste. Green bell pepper 1 cup. Carrot 1 cup. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Chinese salt 1/4 of a teaspoon. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes and set aside. For white sauce, butter 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon flour, maida. Fry until light brown. Add milk 3 cups. Cook on low-medium heat for few minutes. Salt 1/4 of a teaspoon or to taste. Chinese salt 1/4 of a teaspoon. White pepper half a teaspoon. Cook on medium heat for few minutes. Turn the heat low and add mayonnaise. White sauce is ready. Add prepared chicken and veggies.